It is a ethics-based question. As you know that the project will get delayed due to the rigidness of head of HR. So what should you do ethically? Option A says report in next month management meeting so that you can highlight that head of HR was not cooperating. I think it's not the good thing to do rather than playing blame game. Try something else. Option A is not the right answer. Option B says ask vendor to observe the delay. Why you are pushing your delay, your management issue to your vendor? So option number B is not the right thing to do. Option number C says negotiate with the head of HR. If it was easy, you would have done it. So option number C is not right answer in this option, in this context. Option number D says inform management about delay. I believe this is the right time to directly talk to the management and explain them what is happening and how it is going to impact the overall project. So the right answer in this context is option number D. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.